What's up? How's it going? Welcome back to math. Today we are going to be talking about something that is extraordinarily simple. Okay. We have been looking at data sets. We are continuing to look at data sets, and we are going to look at the last piece of the data set puzzle. All right. So after this, there is no more new element that we're going to look at when it comes to data sets. Okay, some of you are breathing a sigh of relief. Others of you are realizing, oh shoot, if there's no more, then that means we got to be tested on it. And you're correct. There will be a test next week, probably Monday. That way, yeah, it's before we do that before the catch-up day. And that will give you tomorrow and Sunday to do some practice tests to kind of put it all together. Really, if you understand mean, median, mode, and range, you're probably going to be set. Bet. Now, range is really easy, okay? All it's doing is looking at the number of data points between the highest entry and the lowest entry. And those are some fancy words for meaning what is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number in the data set, okay? Now, I know you guys all know how to find the difference because it's literally just a subtraction problem. So let's look at this because there's really two ways to find the range, okay? One, if you have the number line, you can just look at the lowest entry, which in this case is going to be 2, and the highest entry, which is going to be 18, all right? So you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to, you would count 16. Okay, there are 16 hash marks between the 2 and the 18. That is the range. Now there are different data entry points within that range. So you're not counting the number of data sets, you're counting the number of really numbers between the lowest entry and the highest entry. So that's one way to do it. You could just count. The easier way to do it is just take the highest entry of the data set and subtract it by the lowest entry in the data set. Okay, so for number 1 here, this is going to be 16 because you have the highest, which is 18, minus 2, which is the lowest. 18 minus 2 is 16. That means that all of these entries in the data set are going to be between 2 and 18. They have a range of 16. Okay? So you could count the number line. Here, I highly recommend not counting from the lowest because you're going to have tens of thousands of numbers to count. So I would just look through here, find the highest, look through here again, find the lowest, subtract the lowest from the highest, and that is going to give you your range. All right, cool. No quiz tomorrow because we'll be having a test next week. It'll just be kind of more range practice, and then you'll have practice test on Sunday, and then test on Monday. Cool. Bye.